Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Arts Council of Ladysmith and District, also known as Ladysmith Arts. Today, we're going to be talking about membership again. This video is really great if you've already completed the membership form and have received the email for login information. We're going to be talking about today how you can go back into your online profile through a membership site, update anything you'd like. The perk about having an online profile is that it is open to the public. People can go and see your artwork. They can look at your social media handles. They can look at your website. So this is a really great way to gain more exposure. If you have not completed the membership form yet, we highly recommend that you go and check out the very first video that we created that goes through that process and then come back to this video. So again, in the last video, we completed the membership form. We received an invoice of how we're going to pay for it. And then we also received an email that said login information for Arts Council of Ladysmith and District. This email, we want to make sure we save in our inbox because what it's going to contain is it's going to contain our username and password that is created for us that will help us get back into the membership site. Once you have gone back into the membership site and changed your password, technically you do not need this email again. Okay. The other email that you also will probably receive later on is the membership activated email. And that's just to let you know that our membership coordinator has gone through your membership form. They've received the payment and now they're actually making your membership active on our website. So that's another email you're going to want to look out for. If we're wanting to get back into our online profile, we can access the login information for Arts Council email. We can copy and paste the email address and the password that was created for us, as I've done here. And then we can click login. Okay. So that's one way to get into our membership. Okay. The other way I'm going to show you about how to get into your membership. If you don't remember where you place the email, click on the little person icon and click forget password. It's going to prompt you to put in an email address and then it will send you a password to your email. And then from there, you can reset your password once you're back into Wild Apricot. You're going to want to click on the little person and click change password because you're going to want to change your password to something that you're going to be able to remember. There's a couple of options up at the top of the screen here. And one of them is clicking on profile. You can edit the profile by clicking the little red button. And this is the form that you most likely completed when you started the membership form. So again, we can go in and we can make changes. We can add more text to certain areas. We can take out things as well too. Don't forget to always click the save button up at the top so you don't lose anything. Within our profile, and this is something that you'll be able to see, is you'll be able to see your membership card. So the membership card will have your membership number on it. So if you need that number for applying for exhibitions or whatnot, the number will be located there. The other really neat thing about the membership card right now going through the Wild Apricot site is that you can print it out yourself through a PDF, or you can put it on your smartphone. So you can have a digital copy with you wherever you go. The membership profile also includes information about what type of membership level you've purchased. It also talks about the renewal date, so the date that it will be due for renewal for payment. The next tab we want to quickly look at is the privacy tab. This is just to let you know what information is public and what is private. Obviously, items like your home address, your telephone number, your birth date, is not made to the public. It's a private thing for you. But you can also see that things like your website, your social media handles, your first, last name, your avatar, information about your artwork is public. Okay, so just something to be aware of. You can also create photo albums, which is really great too if you're wanting to kind of lay out your artwork in different albums. So maybe you're an abstract artist, maybe you also work primarily in watercolor, maybe you work in printmaking, maybe you work in ceramic or sculpture, and you want to have separate albums for those. By clicking on member photo albums, you can start to add different albums that you can then upload your artwork into. To add an album, all you need to do is click add album. You need to give it a title and a description. Once you've created the album, you can click on the album of your choice and then you can click upload photos. It will then ask you to upload a photo from your device to put into the membership site. And the last thing I just want to quickly mention is invoice and payments. If you are owing any fees or whatnot for memberships, that information will be located in here as well too. Up at the very top of the screen, we have a bigger menu bar. The directory is really neat because it lists all the current members. It also will show you the members who have created their own artist profiles. So I'm just going to show you very quickly an example of an artist profile that has been completed. This is our artist, Claudia Lohman. As you can see here, there is her avatar. There's certain information that is available for the public. Again, we do not see any of her personal information. She has her website there, her social media handles, photos of her artwork, a little bit about what she does, and then she also has a photo album that she has created that has artwork within it so people can take a look and see the other works of art that she does. The art forum is really neat. We haven't had anyone start anything yet, but if you have a topic or something of a discussion around art that you would like to put in there, you can create a topic by putting in a subject and asking a question. You can even attach files, and people from the membership can also start to join in. So it's kind of a nice way to communicate as a group. So if you're interested, you can always take a look at the art forum. The member events usually is from the staff or the administrators, as you can see here, about upcoming events that volunteers or members might be interested in. The other thing to notice under the members only content is if you're looking for current volunteer opportunities, you're going to want to go to our calendar postings website to take a look at those. So by clicking here, it's going to take you to that site to see what information for volunteers is available to you. Okay, perfect. And that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at what it looks like when we're outside of our profile. So what is the public actually going to see? Some people have completed their online profiles, which is really great. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Please note that the artist profiles are so important. People want to know who our members are, so please take the time to complete them. And we are more than happy to offer assistance in getting you started if you have any issues. You can call us here at our offices at 250-245-1252. You can also email, and the email is located here, info@ladysmitharts.ca. And you can also come in and see us at our temporary location at 444 Park Hill Terrace in Ladysmith. Just note that our hours will be changing, so it's probably best to call or email to see if you need to come in and book an appointment. Thank you for being a member of the Arts Council of Ladysmith and District, also known as Ladysmith Arts.